Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurish Kaur, and in today's video I sit down after quite a long while, do my makeup and chit chat with you guys and give you all the life updates, because honey, there has been so many things happening of lately, and as you must have read by the title already, there have been some big changes happening in my life of lately. So yeah, to know more about what I have been up to, please keep on watching. And जी, so you guys literally have like so much to catch up on. तुम बहुत पीछे चल रहे हो. Literally मुझे याद भी नहीं मैं कितने टाइम बाद एक sit down makeup video film करने वाली हूँ for YouTube. It's been ages for real. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start with prepping up my skin. I'm using the Strobe Cream by MAC. I guess I took like a rather generous amount. So first things first, that जो I guess YouTube पे तो मैंने एक बार भी बात नहीं करी, मेरा कैमरा टूट गया था last month. I broke my camera accidentally और रिंग लाइट कैमरा के ऊपर गिर गई और कैमरा की जो व्यू फाइंडर जो LCD स्क्रीन होती है वो टूट गई. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, आई कुड नॉट सी द व्यू फाइंडर थिंग, आई कुड नॉट यूज द इंटायर कैमरा बिकॉज वो कैमरा कनेक्शन वाली एक चीज़ होती है वो भी टूट गई थी. सो आई ब्रोक माई Canon G7X Mark II last month that I was very sad about. मेरे Instagram पे बहुत रोई stories पे, everybody just knows it on my Instagram, but I guess on YouTube I have not just mentioned it only. उस वजह से भी my content has been like, you know, not the most consistent on YouTube. I just want to say I've been trying to do that, but still I've been missing spots here and there, and मुझे बहुत irritation होती है when I miss an upload day. It's just I'm very hard on myself that way. Like I am pretty hard on myself to deliver, and जब नहीं होता I'm not gonna practically do anything about it, but बस मैं irritate होके बैठ जाऊँगी, and that spoils my mood. I go on that guilt trip, यार वीडियो नहीं डाला, I mean, you know, I should have done this, that, वो सब. So when मेरा कैमरा टूट गया था, मैंने सर्विस सेंटर दिया. सर्विस सेंटर से मुझे 9 to 10 days बाद पता चला. उन्होंने कॉस्ट कितनी लगेगी रिपेयर में बताने के लिए. दे टुक लाइक 9 to 10 days, and after 9 to 10 days I got to know that उसकी costing almost 20,000 was the repair cost. Whew. And bro, I was not ready for it. Like duh, 20,000 is a fucking big amount, okay? So वो 20,000 का मतलब सिर्फ रिपेयर में लगना था. रिपेयर कराओ एक पुराना व्लॉगिंग कैमरा 20,000 खर्च के, मुझे इतना स्मार्ट डिसीजन नहीं लगा. सो आई थॉट, एक्चुअली आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू अपग्रेड माई कैमरा. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट अ DSLR, बट आई थॉट कि अपने बर्थडे में दिसंबर टाइप्स में लूँगी, व्हेन यू नो आई कैन अफोर्ड इट. लाइक आई मीन आई कुड अफोर्ड इट, बट यू गेट मी ना कि तब लूँगी व्हाटएवर. बट या देन दिस वाज द टाइम. मुझे लगा कि पुराने कैमरा में 20,000 खर्चने से अच्छा आई विल गो फॉर अ न्यू कैमरा ऑल टुगेदर. सो आई वेंट अहेड विद द Canon 200D. इट कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड, कितने का पड़ा था खुद ही भूल गई, 53 if I'm not wrong. It was I guess 53 का मुझे पड़ा था with the batteries. एक छोटा सा ट्राईपॉड लिया था मैंने, एक बैटरी ली थी, एक बैटरी चार्जर एक्स्ट्रा लिया था, और मैंने क्या लिया था इक्विपमेंट उसके साथ. I guess that was 8. So मुझे with the equipment मुझे Canon 200D Mark II 53 का पड़ा था, एंड आई अपग्रेडेड माई कैमरा. और मैंने अभी माइक भी ऑर्डर करा है. अभी माइक नहीं आया, सो द ऑडियो इन दिस वीडियो इज द इनबिल्ट माइक्रोफोन इन द कैमरा, एंड आई वुड लव टू सी हाउ द ऑडियो टर्न्स आउट टू बी. सो दैट इज दैट, बिकॉज कैनन के इनबिल्ट माइक्स, मतलब कैनन कैमराज के इनबिल्ट माइक्स आर नॉट एज बैड, बिकॉज मेरा जो व्लॉगिंग कैमरा था उसका माइक एडिशनल माइक अटैच होता ही नहीं है. सो आई बीन जस्ट यूजिंग यू नो द इनबिल्ट माइक्रोफोन इन दैट, एंड इट वॉज प्रीटी गुड आई वांट टू से. अब तक मेरे को हो गया था, मतलब मुझे बहुत टाइम से यार आई वांट टू बी अ फुल टाइम कंटेंट क्रिएटर. एंड इफ यू गाइज डोंट नो मी, आई यूज्ड टू डू अ जॉब, and I have started saying I used to do a corporate job because I left my job, you guys. I left my job. I have never been happier. It's not that my job wasn't good. I was working with the most amazing people, and it's not even कि वो देखेंगे तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, सच्ची में I literally had such seniors जिन्होंने मुझे बोला, ये भी बता दियो कि इस दिन काम करने का मन नहीं हो, it's okay, you know, we'll give you that time. They respected it so much that they knew that I have my side hustle, I have my blogging thing, I have my YouTube journey to go, and my seniors and everybody, my you know colleagues used to be so good to me, and they have helped me through and through. So I used to work as a social media marketer with Cal Los Angeles. I used to handle their digital marketing space. काफ़ी लोगों को तो मैं नहीं पता था. So that used to be my thing. I did that for a year and a half, I want to say. Yeah, I did that for a year and a half. I am still in touch with the brand as a creator. So currently I'm working with Cal as a creator. I just like to keep things very transparent with you guys, and this is how it is on this channel, and it is going to be on this channel forever and beyond. And I swear I'm just so fortunate that I had the option at this point. Like, I was as financially stable and everything that I could let go of my job bit and just survive as a creator. I'm still okay with it because I get my peace, mama. Like, the people were amazing, but at the end of the day you got to submit the work, you got to do your thing. So काम तो करना ही पड़ता है, ये तो नहीं कि जॉब में काम ही नहीं होगा. So काम तो होता था, and I used to be like, my friends and my close peers just know it, that I was always in the work mode, and I'm in my 20s. I also want to enjoy life. I want to do content creation full time and have a beautiful life जिसमें मैं सब करूँ, अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी टाइम दूँ, घूमूँ फिरूँ, सब करूँ. I just want to have a nice work and fun balance in my life. So that is what I'm aiming for right now. I was okay with letting go of that extra moolah, क्योंकि पैसे आते हुए किसको नहीं अच्छे लगते, but काम भी करना पड़ता है उसके लिए. So I was like, इतना काम मेरे से नहीं होगा, and I really wanted to upscale my content, and I am just hell bent of being consistent as fuck. From now onwards, this girl is gonna be on fire, sis, because I have really huge dreams, and nothing comes easy in life, so I gotta work for it, and I'm ready to bust my ass for it. Okay, so this decision of leaving my job, this is not the impulse decision. ये मैंने बहुत टाइम से सोचा हुआ था, बहुत टाइम से प्लान कर रही थी. I was just planning to be as financially stable and also as strong-headed कि like I needed, मेरे को वो guts चाहिए थे करने के लिए, और मैंने finally कर लिया. So I needed that confidence in me, I would say. I wanted to build that faith in myself that I'll be okay, and that I will be able to survive off content creation and finance my life, because I have been living this financially independent life and I love it. And I was just इतना सा वो डर इसी चीज़ का था, इसलिए मैंने जॉब नहीं छोड़ी थी काफ़ी टाइम से. But अब I was like, I can do that. Like, my bank balance says I can do that, so I did that. It's lovely to just do your thing and be able to do your thing and make ends meet, without having to do another job. It's actually beautiful. I manifested this life for me and I'm very happy. So basically मेरा कैमरा जून एंड में टूटा था, एंड हाँ, तो मैंने जिस ट्रिप पे जाने से पहले, अच्छा मैंने ये भी नहीं बताया once again, I went to Kashmir with my family. We all went COVID negative and came back COVID negative, taking all the necessary precautions at every given moment. हमने बहुत ध्यान से गए थे, बहुत ध्यान से आए थे. So just if anybody's concerned, thank you. 1st of July से 7th of July we went for like a 6-7 day nice holiday with my family and my extended family. It was lovely. बहुत fun आया, बहुत fun आया. But पता नहीं वहाँ पे जाके क्या हुआ यार. I mean, I have almost started to believe. I don't know if I have started to believe, guys. Nazar is real. मेरे साथ बहुत होता है. I don't know. I'm not promoting superstitions. I'm the least superstitious person you would ever meet, but bro, Nazar is real. So as soon as I came back from there, I don't know what has happened, but I have been getting hurt very easily and very often, like way too often. तो बहुत यार हर दूसरे दिन कोई ना कोई चोट लग जाती है. I broke my nail वहीं पे. nail तो मेरा वहीं पे टूटा था. So basically I had extensions on, and मेरी extensions वहाँ पे टूट गई थी, but then got it like bandage and everything was normal. But when I came back, जब वो extension remove करी, my original nail has been lifted from the very nail bed. Like अगर मैं इसको ऐसे करूँ ना, दर्द होगी. The entire nail lift हो चुका है, so I will have to get it removed, and I'll not have a thumbnail only, and I am just like delaying it as much as I can. But अब तो ऐसा हो गया, it has started to bother me a lot. It's very painful. You can't even imagine. My pain threshold is high, but this is very painful. yeah, so that happened. Nail पे लग गई. Then I also fell. इतनी रैंडम ज़्यादा हमारे होटल के बाहर ना एक स्लाइड वाली ऐसे जो भी रैम्प वे था, मैं उससे गिर गई बहुत नॉर्मली चलते हुए. लाइक गॉड नोज हाउ एंड वाई, बट माई एंटायर लेग वाज लाइक रगड़ गई. I got hurt pretty bad. It was swollen and bleeding and had like scratches all over it. But हाँ मुझे बहुत लगी जा रही यार, पता नहीं. देन वापस आके अभी वैसे बहुत recent है but still नोटिफिकेशन हटा दो एक सेकेंड. मेरे फ़ोन की डिस्प्ले ग्रीन लाइन देख बहुत कुछ हो रहा है मेरे साथ. इवन आई डोंट नो दिख रहा है, हाँ दिख रहा है शायद. सो बैक भी अंदर से टूट गई. बाहर से कवर को कुछ नहीं हुआ, बाहर से मतलब इसको टेम्पर को कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट माई फोन की बैक अंदर से टूट गया. लाइक और मेरा दिल भी ऐसे टूट गया. I really feel this is going to be like my go-to contour brush from now on. Just by the way, it's a Focular Beauty brush. It's their highlight brush. It's a huge highlighter fan brush, and it comes in the Focular Beauty brush set. And I love the Focular Beauty brush set so much. It's almost the best affordable brush set for beginners. Just a very random piece of advice if there's a beginner looking out for a good makeup brush set, Focular Beauty brushes are damn good. Dude, this blush is so good. I love it. It's a glowy blush. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love coral orangey. It's a beautiful coral blush. I just want to like apply it all over my fucking face. So damn pretty. And for today's eye look, I'm going to keep it the peachy corally side. I'm going to use the Art Library palette by MAC. I'm going to pick these two orangey sort of burnt orange shades right here. मैंने मेरी सबसे important update तो दिया ही नहीं. So currently I'm following a ketogenic diet. I'm on a keto diet. I'm trying to lose weight for my health because yeah, I'm a little overweight and I really want to be fitter. Moreover, I want to feel a lot more active. I want to be fit and I want to feel a lot more confident in my body, and just yeah, that's all the reasons, all the good reasons why I want to lose weight. And it's been exactly a week now. आज exactly 1 week हो गया that I've been following keto diet. मैंने अब तक इसलिए vlog या ऐसा कुछ start नहीं करा था. I'm doing it for 40 days. So I'm trying to do a keto diet for 40 days. And if you don't know what a keto diet is and how to follow one, and if you're willing to follow one and take this 40 days challenge, I'll link one video down in the description box. It's by Beer Biceps. It's a 3-4 years old video, but the knowledge is so good and so on point and just so accurate even till date. I have followed Beer Biceps from such initial days. I have been watching Ranveer Lavadia. मैं 4 साल पहले से देख रही हूँ when the person had like 10,000-15,000 subscribers. मैं तब से उसको follow कर रही हूँ. Very randomly I searched for some fitness thing back in the day school time पे, and his video popped up and I was addicted because the persona of that person is like really addictive, and I really like Bill Biceps, so that for sure. I really also used to love his motivational playlist and everything for that matter. And also after seeing these videos, I also do my bit of research. I'm always like, do your research. किसी की सुन के कुछ भी start मत कर दो. And yeah, do it your way. I swear my body has been feeling so good. The initial 3 to 4 days were too bad. I also have to mention it right off the bat. The initial 3 days clearly were like so bad. So basically 3 days या 4-5 days तक भी किसी का रहता है. It's called the keto flu. You get that keto flu, you might feel a little nauseous, you might feel dizzy, or you might experience like slight fever. It's also like the fastest fat loss diet in the world, and it does not have any side effects. and it's really nice. I have done a low carb high protein diet even in the past when I lost weight in my school time, but तब मैंने keto नहीं करी थी, but it was like a paleo diet, like a very low carb and a high protein diet. But this is even stricter, so it's great if you can also follow up the diet with a workout. Currently I'm not very regular with my workouts. I'm trying to shed off firstly the initial killers in these 40 days, you know, get to a weight where I can build stamina better. Currently I'm pretty heavy, so it's not super easy for me to do a lot of workout in terms of like cardio workouts. I'm great with weights, but I'm not as good with like cardiovascular exercises. Yeah, just because I have like this stationary job, I've sort of lost that stamina. I'm trying to lose some weight, gonna rebuild my stamina, gonna get back to the gymming habit, gain my strength. I used to have I genuinely used to have a lot of strength back in the day, so got to gain back my strength, tone up my muscles a bit, and it's the glow up time, and I'm really aiming, and this time I'm very serious. That is why I'm sharing. ऐसे तो मेरा थोड़े टाइम में diets होती है, खत्म हो जाती है, but this time I'm genuinely determined to change myself in the upcoming 6 months. And for the better, a healthier Garishka, a fitter Garishka, a happier Garishka is what is my aim. Just that, no size goal or no weight goal for that matter. Also, please don't ask my weight and such personal questions in the comments. People do that without understanding how personal it is to somebody, and all I'm sharing is all that I'm comfortable sharing. मैं इतना ही share करने में comfortable हूँ, and I would highly appreciate if you guys acknowledge the same, you know. I guess I'm saying this like for the first and last time ever, but this look kind of looks good without lashes. I mean, it just looks good enough with mascara, like very soft peachy glam look, and I'm quite digging it. So I'm gonna let it be, and I'm just gonna do the lip now. And then I'm gonna top it off with this beautiful liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Burnt Spice. It's a gorgeous nude. Wow, also strangely enough, I really like a matte lip combo today. And that's all I got for you today. Also, please leave in some good wishes and good vibes in the comment section for my fitness journey. I'm very serious this time and very motivated. So this time मुझे पता है अब मैं कर लूँगी because I really want to. So it's a lot more fun. Also, I promise to be a lot more active on my YouTube community posts and my YouTube stories. It's just out of habit that Instagram is like my thing. Like I just pick up my phone, talk on my IG stories. It just comes very naturally to me. Whereas YouTube stories don't really come as natural to me, but I'll get a hang of it. It's pretty much the same as IG stories. I just realized I have never uploaded a YouTube story. So yeah, I'll be giving my teeny life updates here and there on my YouTube stories and community posts. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next one.